Welcome to today's video. Heal your emotions with these magical energy work techniques. Life is a journey filled with both joy and challenges. We all experience a range of emotions. Some uplift us, while others can weigh us down. Finding inner peace and emotional well-being is a universal aspiration, but how do we achieve this state of tranquility amidst the chaos of our daily lives? The answer lies in understanding and harnessing the power of our inner energy. Our emotions are like waves in the ocean, constantly ebbing and flowing. When we are happy, we feel light and buoyant, as if we are floating on the surface of the water. But when we face difficulties, it can feel like we are being pulled under by a strong current. It's during these times that finding a sense of inner peace becomes crucial. By connecting with our inner selves, we can navigate these emotional waves more effectively. Meditation is one powerful tool that can help us achieve this connection. By taking a few moments each day to sit quietly and focus on our breath, we can calm our minds and center our thoughts. This practice allows us to step back from the hustle and bustle of life and find a moment of stillness. In this stillness, we can begin to understand our emotions better and learn how to manage them. Another effective method is energy work, such as Reiki, yoga, and Tai Chi. These practices help us balance our energy and release any negative emotions that may be holding us back. By aligning our energy, we can create a sense of harmony within ourselves, which can lead to greater emotional resilience and well-being. Energy work can also help us tap into our inner strength and unlock our potential for healing. Let's explore how energy work can help us navigate life's ups and downs and unlock our potential for emotional healing. By incorporating these practices into our daily routines, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace that will support us through life's challenges. Remember, the journey towards inner peace is a continuous process, and every step we take brings us closer to a more balanced and fulfilling life. When faced with emotional difficulties, we often turn to traditional methods such as therapy or medication. While these approaches can be helpful, they may not always address the root cause of emotional distress. They often focus on analyzing past experiences or managing symptoms, which may not lead to complete emotional healing. Energy work offers a different perspective. It recognizes the interconnectedness of our mind, body, and spirit. This holistic approach addresses emotional well-being by working with the body's subtle energy system. By releasing energetic blockages and promoting the flow of vital energy, energy work facilitates emotional healing and overall balance. Energy work encompasses various practices, each with unique techniques. Reiki, for instance, involves channeling healing energy through the practitioner's hands to the recipient. Chakra balancing focuses on energy centers known as chakras to promote emotional and physical well-being. Breathwork utilizes conscious breathing patterns to regulate energy flow and release emotional blockages. A simple breathwork technique for emotional release. Let's try this together. Breathwork is a powerful tool that can help us manage our emotions and find a sense of calm and balance. By focusing on our breath, we can connect more deeply with our inner selves and release the tension that we often carry in our bodies. This technique is easy to learn and can be practiced anywhere, anytime. So, let's begin this journey towards emotional freedom and well-being. First, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or you can sit cross-legged on a cushion or yoga mat. The key is to ensure that your spine is straight and your body is relaxed. Take a moment to settle into your chosen position, feeling the support of the ground beneath you. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees or in your lap, and close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you breathe in, feel your belly expand, and as you breathe out, feel it contract. This deep diaphragmatic breathing helps to activate the body's relaxation response, calming the nervous system and reducing stress. Take your time with each breath, allowing it to be slow and steady. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, and let your breath become your anchor in this moment. As you inhale, visualize drawing in positive energy. Imagine this energy as a bright, warm light that fills your entire being. See it entering through your nose and spreading throughout your body, bringing a sense of peace and vitality. This visualization can help to enhance the effects of the breathwork, making it even more powerful. Allow yourself to fully embrace this positive energy, feeling it nourish and uplift you from within. Imagine this energy filling your entire being. Picture it reaching every cell, every muscle and every organ, infusing you with a sense of wholeness and well-being. This is your time to connect with your inner self and to cultivate a sense of inner peace. As you continue to breathe in this positive energy, feel yourself becoming more centered and grounded. Let this feeling of fullness and wholeness permeate every part of your being. Then, as you exhale, release any negative emotions. Imagine these emotions as dark clouds that are being expelled from your body with each breath out. See them dissipating into the air, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. This process of releasing negative emotions can be incredibly freeing, allowing you to let go of the burdens that have been weighing you down. Trust in the power of your breath to cleanse and purify your mind and body. Let go of stress, anxiety, or any other challenging feelings. As you continue to breathe out, feel these emotions leaving your body, making space for more positive and uplifting feelings. This is your opportunity to release what no longer serves you and to create a sense of inner harmony. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at peace. Allow this sense of relief to wash over you, knowing that you are taking an important step towards emotional well-being. Continue this breathing pattern for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on the sensation of energy flowing in and out. As you do so, you may find that your mind begins to quiet and your body becomes more relaxed. This is a time for you to simply be, to connect with your breath, and to experience the present moment fully. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath, using it as an anchor to keep you grounded. Remember, this practice is about finding a sense of ease and balance within yourself. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process of connecting with your breath and releasing what no longer serves you. Integrating energy work into your daily life for emotional wellness can be truly transformative. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable. Experiment with different practices like Reiki, Chakra meditation, or breathwork to discover what resonates best with you. The transformative power of energy, work benefits, and beyond. Energy work is a holistic practice that taps into the body's natural energy systems to promote healing and well-being. It encompasses a variety of techniques, including Reiki, acupuncture, and chakra balancing, each aiming to restore harmony and balance within the body. By addressing the energetic imbalances, these practices can lead to profound physical, emotional, and spiritual benefits. The benefits of energy work extend beyond emotional healing. It can enhance your overall quality of life by fostering a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. When you engage in energy work, you open yourself up to a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. This journey can lead to a greater understanding of your own needs, desires, and potential. As you engage in these practices, you may experience reduced stress, increased self-awareness, improved sleep, and a greater sense of inner peace. These benefits are not just temporary. They can have a lasting impact on your overall well-being. By regularly practicing energy work, you can cultivate a state of inner calm and resilience that helps you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence, and a greater sense of inner peace. This inner peace can manifest in various aspects of your life, from your relationships to your professional endeavors. When you're centered and balanced, you're better equipped to handle stress and make decisions that align with your true self. Energy work can also enhance your creativity and intuition, allowing you to tap into your inner wisdom and express yourself more authentically. By addressing the root causes of emotional distress, energy work empowers you to create lasting positive changes in your life. It helps you release old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you, making space for new, empowering perspectives. As you continue to explore and integrate energy work into your daily routine, you may find yourself experiencing a profound transformation that touches every aspect of your being. Embrace the journey and discover the limitless potential that lies within you. Embrace energy work for a more fulfilling life. Embracing energy work is an act of self-care and empowerment. It allows you to connect with your inner wisdom and unlock your potential for healing and growth. By incorporating these practices into your life, you embark on a journey toward greater emotional well-being, resilience, and fulfillment. Join the movement towards emotional well-being. Share your experiences with energy work and inspire others to embark on their journey towards emotional well-being. Together we can create a ripple effect of healing and positive change in the world. Continue your exploration of energy work. This is just the beginning of your exploration into the world of energy work. Numerous resources, books, workshops, and practitioners are available to guide you on your journey. Embrace the transformative power of energy work and unlock your full potential for emotional healing and lasting well-being. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content.